Today, you will learn how to highlight text in a Word document in the easiest possible way. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. Open your document in Microsoft Word and first select the text you want to highlight by dragging your mouse over it. Now, go to the Home tab at the top and click the small arrow next to Text Highlight Color button. Choose any color from the list, and the highlight will be applied instantly to your selected text. If you want to highlight many different parts of your document quickly, you don't have to select text again and again. Click the arrow next to Text Highlight Color, pick your color, and your cursor will turn into a highlighter. Now, simply drag your mouse over any text and it will be highlighted. When you are done, press the Escape key on your keyboard to turn off the highlighter mode. If your document is long and you want to find all highlighted text, you can use Find and Replace. Go to the Home tab and click Find, then choose Advanced Find. In the box, click More, then choose Format and select Highlight. Now click Find Next, and Word will jump to every highlighted section one by one. To remove highlight from specific text, select that text, click the Text Highlight Color arrow, and choose No Color. To remove highlights from the entire document, press Ctrl-A on Windows or Command-A on Mac to select everything, then choose No Color from the Highlight menu. If you only want to remove highlights of a certain color, use Advanced Find again with the highlight format. As Word finds each highlighted area, manually remove the color using No Color. Now you know how to highlight text, find highlighted text, and remove highlights easily. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and watch more beginner-friendly Word tutorials packed with useful tips.